Cultural heritage is a rich tapestry that encompasses the customs, traditions, beliefs, and artifacts passed down through generations within a society. It is a reflection of the collective identity and history of a community, shaping its values and providing a sense of belonging. Firstly, cultural heritage serves as a bridge between the past and the present, allowing us to understand our roots and appreciate the journey that led us to where we are today. It provides a sense of continuity and connection to our ancestors, reminding us of their struggles, achievements, and wisdom. In Oman, if you want to know about our cultural heritage, the first thing you are going to think about is forts. Oman is blessed with about 1,000 forts, and today we are going to talk about one of these forts. Qulhat Fort, also known as Bibi Mariam Fort, is a significant historical site located in the town of Qulhat, Oman. This impressive fortress was constructed in the 13th century during the reign of the Hormuz rules, and it is a remarkable example of medieval Omani architecture and defensive engineering. We choose Qulhat Fort for its significant features. For example, the unique architecture. Qulhat Fort is renowned for its distinctive circular design, which is uncommon in Omani fortifications. Then, the historical significance. This fort has a rich history, have been used as a defensive stronghold and later as a trading post. Thanks to Qulhat's historical significance as a bustling port city. But unfortunately, all of our beautiful forts are affected by the climate change. Climate change can have various effects on historical forts like Qulhat Fort in Oman. Increased heat and deterioration. Rising temperatures due to climate change can lead to increased heat stress on the fort's building materials, and the high temperatures can accelerate the deterioration of the fort's walls, foundations, and structures. Extreme weather events. Climate change can result in more frequent and severe extreme weather events, such as storms, floods, and heavy rainfall. These events can cause physical damage to the fort and compromise its structural integrity. When we talk about Qulhat Fort, due to its location that's near the coast, so it is more affected by the sea level rise. With sea levels rise as a consequence of climate change, there is an increased risk of coastal erosion and inundation, which could threaten the fort's stability and preservation. But nowadays, because of our intelligence and technology, we can solve these problems in an easy way. To reduce the effect of climate change on Oman's fort, using technology, you can implement a comprehensive solution that addresses the challenges posed by rising temperatures, sea level rise, and extreme weather events. Here's some solutions. Climate data monitoring. Install weather stations and sensors to constantly monitor temperature, humidity, rainfall, and sea levels in the vicinity of the forts. This data can be used to predict extreme weather events and plan preservation efforts accordingly. We can also use passive cooling systems. Integrate passive cooling technologies such as reflective coatings, thermal insulation, and natural ventilation to reduce heat stress on the fort structures. And a great solution is renewable energy. Install solar panels to power the forts. This reduces reliance on fossil fuel and lowers carbon emissions. Water management. Implement rainwater harvesting and strong systems to ensure a sustainable water supply for the forts. Heritage preservation. Use 3D scanning and modeling technology to create digital replicas of the forts. Educational initiatives. Establish educational programs and visitor centers to raise awareness about climate change and the importance of preserving Omani's historical forts. Collaboration. Seek partnership with international organizations and governments to access expertise and funding for climate change adaptation and heritage preservation. By implementing these technological solutions, Oman can reduce the impact of climate change on its forts, preserving its cultural heritage while adapting to the challenges posed by a changing climate.